Turkish word, favorite. I don't know, I know many. I can't think of it now. Hayvan.
Who are you calling hayvan?
Hayvan, Ahmet hayvan. Haydi hayvan.
I can say that.
You can say that? So
say
it's a swearing or some rude word?
Of course it is, but no, to be honest, I can understand some words, but I don't speak, and
Okay.
I still have problems in restaurants to order if they don't speak English. So I don't know, maybe I'm lazy to learn and stuff, because we are speaking here in English in a team, so the only place I need, to order. But my wife is taking Turkish classes, so if I don't understand something, she can understand better than me.
Yeah, but you still can understand some phrases, some things.
Okay, maybe I can something understand, but it's very, very
Okay.
hard, and I cannot say any words.
Yeah, and
Yok. Yok. No. Maybe yok. I like yok a lot.
I like to say collagen a lot. It's very appreciated. I try to learn what I need, so the auto stuff. I dance, but now this is the best. No, I cannot say this. Let's go on.
Me. Adamson. My name is Adamson Thompson, and obviously, merhaba.